Hey guys, happy Sunday. Two videos today. First one being this one that's going to be a quick hit status update. As you can see from the background, I got rid of a cabinet and some stuff that was on the other side of that sectional. So I am cleaning up my office, mainly because I am going to make a whiteboard space that I'll use for architecture discussion and things like that, so that we can discuss the best way to do things on a FortiGate or a FortiManager or a FortiAnalyzer, as well as things like just drawing it out, because me explaining it to you will only do so much, right? But yeah, that's the point there. So keep an eye up. I'm also probably going to get a screen so you don't have to see all the trash behind me. I'm going to work on actually bumping up the video quality, if you will. So keep your eyes open for that. Otherwise, I have a video coming down the pipe talking about the difference between like the FortiGate 60 versus the FortiGate 61, 80 versus the 81, etc. It's going to be a real short video because it's very, very simple. Until next time, you guys have a great Sunday, and give me a shout if you have any questions or comments. Thanks.